we got a smart robot cleaner here. As you can see, basically it works right out of the box. You just need to insert this part, and that will be it. You got one blade here. Right. Have to turn this up. Insert the water here. And press it. It takes some time.
Starting the cleanup.
It does make some noise. It's very smart. I can just leave it when I leave my home, and it's not gonna flop on the steps. It's really good. It's gonna also mop your floor. Alright, let's see if it's gonna fall. As you can see, it's pretty steep. Oops. Nope. Pretty smart. I'm happy with what I got. It cleans really well.